Hi everyone, welcome back my channel Learning Tutor. Today you will do mental math, that means revision test. This revision test here total 40 maths. Okay. Number 1 question, use number less than, greater than or equal to in the box. Here total 7 box. Number 1A part, 80 plus 11 dash 90. 80 plus 11, 91. So, sign less than. Next B part, 6 multiple 7. 6 sevens are 42. You know, remember table 7 or table 6. 14 threes are 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. So, sign equal to. Next C part, 37 plus 3, 40. Here 14s are also 40. So, sign equal to. Next D part, 89 less than. So, here number, you will write any number but less than 89. I have written 80. Okay. Next E part, 70 multiple 0. 0, 10 multiple 7. 70. So, sign greater than. Next 56 greater than. You will write any number but greater than 56. I have written 60. 78, 87. Here tens place 7, here tens place 8. So, sign greater than. Okay. Next number 2. Answer the following question. A part, the third day of the week is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 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 Next, B part, the number of days in 4 week is, you know, 1 week equal to 7 days. So, 4 week is equal to 7 multiple 4. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28 days. Okay. Next, C part. The number of days in 2 weeks in. 7 multiple 2. 7 twos are 14 days. Next, D part. The number of 5 rupees coin in rupees 30 in. In rupees 30, how many 5 rupees coin? 5 rupees coin? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. These are all together make rupees 30. Okay. Number E part. How many 2 rupees coin in rupees 20? In rupees 20, how many 2 rupees coin? 10. 10 into 2 equal to 20. So, 10 2 rupees coin make rupees 20. Next, F. 10 rupees have dash 50 paisa coins. 10 rupees have 20 50 paisa coin. Okay. Next, G part. 25 rupees have dash 1 rupee coin. 25 rupees have 25 1 rupee coin. Okay. Next, number 3, fill in the blanks. 3a part. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to dash. How many times 4? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 multiple 5 equal to 20. 4 5s are 20. Next B part. 21 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7. 21 minus 3 7s are 21. So answer 0. Next C part, which is less 78 minus 51 or 14 plus 63. You know, addition always increasing and subtraction always decreasing. So here 78 minus 51. Here 7. Here 27. Here 7 77. So it's right. Number D. Rupees 6 equal to dash into 50 paisa. 12 into 50 paisa equal to 600 paisa. You know 600 paisa equal to 6 rupees. Next, rupees 5 equal to dash into 10. 50 into 10 equal to 500 paisa. 500 paisa equal to 5 rupees. Understood? A part, take away. Take away means subtraction. 19 from 69. 19 minus. So, here answer 50. Next, G part, the place value of 7 in 17 is tens, ones, 7 ones. Okay. Next, number 4, complete the series. A part, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Next, B part, 8 plus 16, 16, then plus 24, then dash plus dash equal to 120, 120. 8 and 16. Here difference 8. Here also 8. So here 32, here 40. Okay. Next, C part, dash, then 82, 84, 86. Here all are difference 2. Difference 2. So you will back 2 times. 82 before 81. 81 before 80. Okay. Next D part. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay. Here all are difference 5. These are all increasing. Here E part, here decreasing, here increasing. How many times? 42, 43, 44, 45. 3. 42, 43, 44, 45. 45, 46, 47, 48. 48, 49, 50, 51. Here you will backward 3 times or minus 3. 42 before 41, 40, 39. 39 before 38, 38 before 37, 37 before 36. Okay. Next A part, here left side decreasing and right side increasing. But how many times? 5 times. So 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, yes, 48. Here decreasing. How many times you will backward? 5 times. Or you will just subtract 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8, 1, 2. 28. Subtract 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 23. Okay. Next G part. Here numbers are decreasing. But difference 3. Difference 3. You will backward 3 times. 22 before 21, 20, 19. 19 before 18, 17, 16. 16 before 15, 14, 13. Okay. Next, 5, A part. 7 added to 8. 7 added to 8. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, answer 15. 1 less than 143 is 142. 5 tens and 8 ones, 58. Next, D part. The number of 46 is 40 numeral. That means you will write in number 46. The number names. That means you will write in words. 87. Okay. Next, 800, 3 tens, 0 ones, 830. 5 groups of 2 each. 5 groups of 5 twos are 10. So answer 10. The number before and after 19. 19 before 18 and 19 after 20. Next, 4 times 3. 4 times 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 12. 4 times 3. Okay. Next, the smallest one digit number is 1. The greatest one digit number is 9. You will always remember that the smallest 2-digit number 10, smallest 3-digit number 100, the greatest 2-digit number 99, greatest 3-digit number 999. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Understood. I know you are all understood. So, today up to this much. Meet all of you in the next class. Take care yourself. Tata. Bye bye. Okay. These questions are very important to you. You will always remember and practice at your home. Okay. Tata. Bye bye.